What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Hope everyone's having a great day. If it's your first time tuning in, please go down below, hit that like button, subscribe button, and also turn the notification bell. What's going on, guys, man? Well, you guys have been killing it in the comments, on the likes, everything. You guys have been killing it, and I'm so appreciative for it. Today, we need to get a few things done. I need to get a haircut. We need to clean the truck up because 5-Star Creations is having a little meetup tomorrow. So, go ahead and clean the truck up, get it ready for tomorrow. I have to go to work, so I'll probably leave work and be heading straight over there tomorrow night. So, gonna get the truck cleaned up, haircut. Also picked up the conduit to run our electrical from the shop. I'm not sure if I'm gonna do that in this video, but I might make that a whole video just to make a shop build series for you guys. But that's about it. Not too much. Kind of getting a late start to the day. Kind of let the sun go down a little bit. It's been freaking hot here, but we're gonna still try to get a few things done. So before we start, go ahead and get this haircut knocked out. So here we go. Well, we're back. We got the fresh cut, feeling much better. Got the truck warming up. About to pull her out, bring her out there, and start cleaning her off. She's not too dirty, but I want to get her shined up for the show. Put a little polish on the wheels, knock a lot of this dust off the truck, and just get her looking a little better. But yeah, we'll go ahead and pull her out and start cleaning her up.
Producer on the track.
What's going on, guys? It's the next day. As you can see, we cleaned the truck up last night. Got it pretty much all done up and everything looking good. But I'm about to do my final little touches to it. Make sure my wheel wells and stuff are cleaned up and shined up. But you guys can see the weather, man. It's not looking too good. It started raining a little bit earlier, but and then kind of stopped, so let's hope it holds off for the night and just go ahead and pass over so we can make the meet. But regardless, we're still gonna get the truck cleaned up. So yeah, I'm gonna go over it with a little quick detailer, wipe it off. You can see the paint, she's looking good, mirror and everything. But we're gonna hit the paint with a little quick detailer, hit the wheels with a little polish, get that last little shine out of them, and clean up these wheel wells and get those shined up as well. So not too much, shouldn't take it too long, but so yeah. Boy, rolling high right there. What's up, guys? We went to 3 different spots and all of them got shut down, so we about to call it a night, just head home. Man, y'all knew I couldn't end that video without telling y'all what was going on. Bruh, it was a good night. Definitely was fun. It was pretty hectic though, gotta say. The cops are just, you know, they gotta spoil everything. Nobody was doing nothing wrong, you know. Everybody just trying to chill, hang out, have a good time. But you know, with this virus and stuff going on, everybody, they don't want no kind of gatherings, nothing. So, you know, and if I had to guess, it had to be close to 200 trucks out there, man. We went to actually 4 different locations. I said 3, but we went to 4. And the cops just followed us from each one and just ran us away. So after a while, I was just like, man, I'm just gonna call it a night and go home. But it definitely was fun, man. We definitely gonna have to do that again. Hopefully, Louisiana start opening things up, so you know we can start gathering again and stuff. But I'm sorry I didn't get no footage for y'all. I'm really bummed about that. They had a lot of nice trucks out there, a lot of nice trucks. I saw a lot of you guys that subscribed and followed the channel, and that was cool. But I wish I could have got a lot more footage of these trucks. There's a lot of nice trucks, bro. I got a lot of compliments on the 6.0. But that, you know, everybody out there was pretty cool. Nobody was on you know, fighting and, you know, getting into it with anybody. Everybody was cool vibes and everything. So that was what's up. But I wish I really could have got some footage. Like I said, they had a lot of nice trucks. Duramaxes, you know, a lot of people now, you know, into this GM Silverado shit. So had a lot of Silverados, squatted and all that, you know. So it was a lot of trucks though. Definitely gonna have to do it again. But yeah, like I said, everywhere we went, cops shut it down. The first location was downtown Baton Rouge, right under the State Capitol Bridge. And while we got there, I didn't get there right. We supposed to start at 6. I didn't get there right at 6. Got there a little later because I know everybody not gonna show up there on time. So got there a little later, and when we was pulling up, the cops were shutting everything down. Had the streets blocked off, you know, kind of making us go different ways. So after we left there, we went to we kind of split up. Some people went to Hooters. Another group went to the mall, and then after that we went to both of those spots, and each one of them got ran off. So we left the mall, went to the gas station, and that's when you guys saw that little clip. I didn't get really a chance to film because I was driving, so you know, it is what it is. But it was fun, definitely was fun. Truck, she's still somewhat clean. Probably wipe her off again before I put her up. Man, I just can't wait to get everything with this truck together. I got so many parts in the house for this truck, it just don't make no sense. It's definitely gonna be even nicer than this. For the people that have seen it in person, it's definitely gonna be nicer than this. So appreciate you guys for tuning in. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I know I didn't get much for you guys, but I hope you guys go down below, hit that like button, subscribe button, also turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any more videos. I promise next time we're gonna get some footage for you guys. So you guys have a good day and be safe.